This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Vidalia onions. Select Vidalias that are firm and heavy for their size, ensuring they are free of soft spots or dark marks. Carefully peel off the dry outer layers. For most recipes, you will want to cut your Vidalia onion in half from top to bottom, then slice it into even quarter-inch thick pieces. This consistent cut ensures uniform cooking, preparing your onions perfectly for any dish. To caramelize Vidalia onions, begin by melting 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter or a good quality olive oil in a large, heavy-bottomed skillet. Add your sliced onions, ensuring they are in a single layer if possible. Cook them slowly over medium-low heat for approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour, stirring every 10 minutes. This patient process will yield incredibly sweet, tender, and deeply golden brown onions. For a quicker method, sauté your Vidalia onions. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil or butter in a skillet over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Add the onion slices and spread them evenly. Cook for about 5 to 8 minutes, stirring frequently to ensure even cooking and to prevent burning. They will become tender and translucent with a touch of browning, retaining a wonderful, fresh sweetness perfect for many dishes. Roasting Vidalia onions brings out a deeply rich, concentrated flavor. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss your sliced onions with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. Spread them in a single layer on a baking sheet. Roast for about 25 to 35 minutes, flipping them once halfway through until they are wonderfully tender and lightly golden brown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.